But then there's others that sit in another little box that go, I want to play. I want to experiment. This is where it looked or what it looked like in the beginning. And I can say it, it's my photo, an average image. The sky didn't play, didn't work with it. And so one of the things that I talk about is very much there's training and there's learning. And training is when you actually see a video and go, yeah, yep, got it. The learning is when you apply it and you practice it until it becomes natural. Oh, as you do. I did a snow overlay. Photographing snow falling is, I've never been able to nail it. So, hey, I did the snow overlay and you can see, look at that lovely little fake snow dropping down. Love it. Did I have an idea what I wanted at the end? No, I just played. I experimented. And this is where it comes back. The more that you practice, the more that you learn, the more it stays in you. But I like to push the boundaries. And if you're a person that wants to be creative and push the boundaries and see what you can come up with, this is where you play and you develop your skills. And what I was doing was expressing my emotions, my feelings I felt standing at certain locations, particularly that chapel in Tuscany. I was away from the 50 million other tourists. I was there on my own. And so sometimes when I'm processing, I draw on that feeling. What did it feel like? So I was there photographing the sky. And some of the two friends said, Sandra, why are you doing that? The sky's it's not going off behind the hut. And I go, yeah, but I'll replace the sky. But the colours, the tone, the light will match now the hut, the mountain, and the foreground. It's just I photograph there on the side and I replace the sky. I just went, look, I think I'll try a pink or I think I'll try blue. That worked, I'll use that. Didn't work, I delete the layer out. I also say, did I know what I was doing? I was just playing. I was just experimenting, go, oh, I quite like that. No, I don't like that. And this is how this image developed. Shock horror, I add noise to my digital art now because that can disguise a little bit of, if you're doing a composite,